The unlimited power of faith in your restoration to health, part 5, Matthew chapter 9, verse 18. While Jesus spoke these things to them, behold, a ruler came and worshipped him, saying, My daughter has just died. My daughter has just died. But come and lay your hand on her, and she will live. This is faith in expression. My daughter has just died. But you come and lay your hand on my dead daughter, and she will live. So when Jesus heard this word of faith, fiery word of faith, that made the man say, even though my daughter is dead, when you lay your hands on her, she shall live. Jesus arose, no argument, and followed him. And so did his disciples. Your faith will move Christ to act on your behalf right now. When you can believe, nothing is impossible. The man spoke, my daughter has just died. But I believe if you can come and lay your hands on her, death shall be conquered. She will live. When Jesus heard these words of faith, he arose. He left all he was doing. He got up and followed this man. So did his disciples. Suddenly, a woman who had a flow of blood for 12 years came from behind and touched the hem of his garment, not touch the body, but the hem of his garment. For she said to herself, the power of faith, if only I may touch his garment, I shall be made well. What are you saying? Come on. The other man said, come and lay your hands on my dead daughter, and she shall live. This woman said, if I may touch the hem of his garment, I shall be healed. Both of them got their answers. She said, if I may only touch the hem of his garment, I shall be made well. Jesus turned around and when he saw her, he said to her, daughter, be of good cheer. Your faith has made you well. The unlimited power of faith in your restoration to health. There is no sickness that faith cannot terminate. Faith can terminate death. Faith can terminate cancer. This evil flow of blood, this hemorrhage, was ended by faith. Faith can end your blindness as it did for blind Bartimaeus. Faith can end your leprosy as it did for the 10 lepers. There is nothing that your faith cannot accomplish. If you would believe, you will see the glory of God. Lazarus came out of the grave after 4 days by faith. There is nothing faith cannot do. Jesus said, daughter, be of good cheer. Your faith has made you well. And the woman was made well from that hour. When Jesus came into the ruler's house and saw the flute players and the noisy crowd wailing, he came into the ruler's house and saw them wailing. He said to them, make room, take your place, leave this place, for the girl is not dead but sleeping. And they ridiculed him. They laughed at him. They laughed at him. When the crowd was put outside, forced out, you must force out all the unbelievers, all the mourners, all the weepers, all those who are accompanying your problems. You must push them out. All the unbelievers, all the noisemakers, you must push them aside. Those who talk unbelief, who talk fear, who are ready to go and bury your daughter, bury your life, bury your destiny, bury your business, you must push them aside. When the crowd was put outside, you must do that. Everyone opposed to your miracle, push them aside. When the crowd was put out, Jesus went in and took the girl by the hand. No word spoken. And the girl arose. Jesus went in, verse 25, Matthew 9:25. When the crowd was put out, Jesus went in and took her by the hand. No word spoken, no prayer made. And the girl lived. Why? The father said, come and lay your hands on her dead body, and she shall live. Christ came and took the girl by the hand, lay hand, and the girl arose. And the report of this went into all that land. There's nothing faith cannot do. There's unlimited power in faith that can end death. If it can stop death, it can stop cancer. It can stop leukemia. It can stop arthritis. It can stop ulcer. It can stop HIV/AIDS. It can stop sickle cell anemia. There's no sickness that faith cannot stop. Lazarus was dead and buried. 4 days, Christ came by faith and brought him back to life. Faith stops death. 4-day-old dead and buried, the faith stopped it. This young girl that had died, faith stopped death and brought her back to life. The woman who has suffered for 12 years, faith brought her healing. There is nothing faith cannot do. Do you believe? Now, speaking to your life, whatever is ailing you, every sickness, every disease, every trouble, every problem that is caused by the devil comes to an end right now. Be healed from your head to your feet. Be healed in your body, in your bone, in your blood. Be healed in your heart, in your lungs, in your kidneys. Be healed in every part of your body, in your flesh, in your bone, in your body. Be healed. I command by the power of his resurrection that restores the dead to life. Be healed and be restored to health, and may you be free from every sickness and disease from now onwards. Live and not die, and let God be glorified in your life. In Jesus' mighty name. Love, like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to follow. God bless you. I'll see you again in our next video. Peace.